You may or may not have considered income protection insurance, but let me ask you a question. If your cash flow was to stop, could you still afford to pay things like the mortgage, the school fees, keep up with your lifestyle, or even put food on the table? I'm in Fremantle today. I'm at the local HBF and I'm joined by Andrew. Welcome to the morning show.
Thank you, Karen, and welcome to Fremantle.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous place to be, but we're talking income protection. I want to ask you a few questions, and I guess the first one has to be, what is income protection insurance?
In short, it's a way of ensuring that a health event doesn't become a financial crisis. Income protection means that if you become sick or injured and you can't work, you'll receive a monthly payment that enables you to continue to pay out your day-to-day expenses, whether that's for a short time or a long time.
Yeah, it does make sense, doesn't it? And HBF have been around for a long time, around 70 years. What sort of income protection plans do they offer?
Essentially, the right one for you. It'll start with a consultation with one of our financial advisors in a branch like this one. And we have 15 around the Perth metropolitan area.
Great.
In that meeting, we'll find out exactly what your plan will need to include. We'll use that information to package up a plan perfect for you, drawing on one of the products that's available from any one of 9 leading insurers in Australia.
So it really is a personal experience.
Really personal, and it's not just personal in drawing up your plan. If you need to use your plan and make a claim, we'll be there to help make sure it works exactly as it's supposed to.
Gee, that is reassuring. But for a lot of people, the reason they don't take out income protection is it's just another cost. So how much are we looking at?
It really doesn't need to be expensive. How much it does cost depends on what you choose to include. It's our job to make sure we provide an affordable package for you that ticks all your boxes.
What about hidden fees?
There's no hidden fees.
Great.
So you only pay, not for our advice, you pay for the plan only that you choose to take out. And our advice will go to you, if you choose to take out a plan through us, in the form of a statement of advice.
Okay, so when should people think about taking out income protection?
Essentially before you need it, because you never know what's around the corner. It could be as simple as a broken arm, it could be a long-term sickness that could keep you off work for weeks, months, maybe in the worst case scenario, years or indefinitely. Chronic conditions are more common than we realise. Yeah,
and it's really important for a lot of people to really consider this. So when it comes time to a claim, what sort of payout do we get?
Well, you can receive up to 75% of your income. And you can receive that for up to 70 years of age.
Wow. So what sort of things should we consider when we are taking out this type of insurance?
Probably the first thing to think about is how quickly I need the payments to start coming to me. Is it soon after I fall sick? And they can start within 2 weeks, or maybe you say, well, I've got some savings, I've got a buffer, I can last for 2 or 3 months, and we can adjust the plan accordingly. On the other side, how long do you need the payments to continue? That may depend on how close you are to paying the mortgage off, how long your kids are going to stay at home with you, when you can access your retirement savings.
Yeah, some important things to think of, but HBF can take care of us with that. But isn't income protection insurance part of our superannuation?
That's a really good point. Many people will have income protection as part of their superannuation. That, of course, won't have been designed for you. And what our advisors can do is look at the existing income protection you have. They may suggest you could do better. They may suggest substituting another plan for that. Still have it within your super, so it's still paid from your super.
Important time of year. Are there any tax benefits to this?
There are. If you hold income protection outside super, you will be able to claim the premiums you pay as a tax deduction.
Gee, that's good, isn't it? So for people at home who understand the importance of this, because it really is vital if you want to keep up with your lifestyle, paying the bills, you don't want that pressure on your family, what do we do?
Come in, pop in, call us, or just go onto our website. We'll be happy to take it from there.
Yeah, so important. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks for putting on the sunshine here in Fremantle. Make sure you jump online, give them a call, or better still, pop in to an HBF branch and get your income protection insurance sorted.